Hi, I'm Dr. Tieraona Low Dog. I'm an integrative physician and an herbalist. You know, today I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite herbs, marshmallow. I grow it in my garden because it's absolutely a stunning plant to grow. And I also grow it because I love its history and I love incorporating it into my daily life. You know, marshmallow, its ancient, or its botanical name is derived from Althea officinalis or officinalis, and it comes from the word altho or althos, which means to heal. So people have long looked at marshmallow as a remedy, but they've also looked at it as a food. Marshmallow, when it's growing out in your garden, you can actually take the young stalks and leaves and you can cook them up just like you would any sort of pot herb that you would eat, like a green. So it really bridges that gap, doesn't it, between what people would consider sort of a gentle remedy and what somebody would consider a food. Most people, when you say marshmallow, think of marshmallows, right? I did. When I was a kid and we went camping, we were making s'mores, right? So we're roasting the marshmallows, throwing them on a graham cracker and a little bit of chocolate, and there we were, you know, telling stories around the fire. It was great. Those marshmallows aren't that good for you, right? I mean, but when you go back to what it was originally made from, it came from marshmallow root. This is a demulcent. Demulcents are herbal plants that have a soothing quality to the tissue it comes into contact with. So marshmallow is often used for soothing the throat, soothing the esophagus, soothing the stomach, just having a soothing effect on tissue. The way that it soothes tissue is because it's rich in something called mucopolysaccharides, which are destroyed by heat. So if you're going to use marshmallow leaf or root for tea, it's best for you just to take the herb and place it in room temperature water, put a lid on it, and let it steep for 6 to 8 hours, then strain it and drink it. I find it delicious, I find it wonderful, and in many modern times, for many of the little problems that come up in our lives, I find marshmallow can weave its way into your household kitchen cupboard pantry, your herbal pantry, in many, many, many beautiful ways. So here's to marshmallow.